Boom! Right here. This is going to transform my 1990 Acura NSX, which has a tape deck, and upgrade to the future. We have a Tesla Model Y over there, which has all the greatest technology, but I want my NSX to have that, but I want to keep everything classic. I love having the original tape deck and stereo, but this will add all those features to this car. This thing has CarPlay, Android Auto, voice command, DVR, you have the wireless Bluetooth, and you have a backup camera all in one kit, and this thing allows it to stick right on top here without modifying or changing anything in my dash. I can connect via FM transmission, so I don't need to have any auxiliary cable or Bluetooth as all the options. Let's open this up right now and show you guys what we get in the box and set this up in my 1990 Acura NSX right now. Here we go. Boom, boom. Wow, that's a big screen. Wow, look at the size of the screen right here. And it has adhesive down here, so we can attach it right here and change the angle. Oh, that looks so good. Look at the screen right here. Look at the screen. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's double protected. We got the other. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. And this thing right here, you can lock it and keep it nice and tight. Oh, you have a dash cam too? What? You have a camera in the front and a camera in the back. So this is going to record outside so I can see what's happening in the front for security purposes. Nice. Boom. We got another adhesive pad right here in case you want to re-stick it. You have another adhesive pad. You also got the wiring. This is how we're going to power it. Boom. Right here. This one is super easy to power it. This is a 12 volt DC adapter and a USB-C connection over here. In our vehicle, we can plug this one right here. Boom. Connect this to the power like so, and we got power ready. Sweet. And then this cable right here will connect onto the USB Type-C up here. Boom. Whoa, whoa, look at that. It powered up already. It's looking good. It's looking good. Wow. All right, we're gonna stick this on, but just in one bit. It's loud too. Look at this. It's already ready to go. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DVR, backup, audio output, everything. All right, here. Let me actually see what else is in the box before we set this thing up. So right here, we got the cable for the backup camera, and we have another cable for the auxiliary. If we wanted to connect this thing to the auxiliary output, we can, or we can connect it via Bluetooth, or we can connect it with FM. Let me look at the audio output right here. So we have options. We got the speaker. This thing has built-in speaker, so we can have audio come out here. Or you can go over here, and this one will connect via Bluetooth to your car stereo, or you can use FM transmission, which is what we're going to use because we don't have any of these fancy options, or you can use auxiliary cable, which is this cable, if you want to connect it and you have the ability to connect an auxiliary cable. So there's so many ways to connect your car. This will work with pretty much any car. That's so awesome, so easy to set up. Remember how I said there is a camera back here? That's the front-facing camera, so you can see what's happening in front of the car. We also have another camera in here. This is another camera it comes with. This one is going to be for the backup camera. Let's take a look at this one. Whoa, look at this. So you have adhesive and screws. You have two ways to mount it, or you can use screws and adhesive if you want to. But this is the backup camera right here, and it's super easy to mount. Wow, this is it right here. You can mount this on the back of your car, and you have a backup image, and you have a very long cable that will connect all the way to the front. This red wire is to attach, so it will automatically go to backup camera when you reverse. That's a really cool feature. This is the cable from the backup camera. So we gotta plug this camera in first. So you take out the USB-C real quick and go right here. This one is the AV in. AV in is where the backup camera is gonna go. So we're gonna connect the backup camera to the AV in right there. And then we got the USB-C. Let me just switch this around. And can we connect it this way? Nope, I'm gonna connect it this way, right here. The USB-C right here. Boom, there we go. So we got USB-C, and then we got the backup camera, and this is powering on. I think we can stick it to our dash right now. Should we center it, or should we keep it to the side? I don't know. Maybe I'll stick with the center for now. I think the center looks really good. So let me go ahead and use the adhesive right here to stick this to the center of my dash. Here we go, the adhesive. Oh yeah, right there. And we can stick this on to the center. We're gonna kind of center this right there. Does that look centered to you? That looks pretty centered to me. So we're gonna push on down right there, and then this will stay attached to our dash. We can turn this around, and it's perfect. So here we have the audio output. We can use FM transmission. We can pick a frequency. So right now it's just 106. We just dial in our FM right here. It's 87.7. We're gonna dial this one to 106 to match that. And that's how it's going to connect to our stereo. So here it is, 106. We'll do 106.1 right there. And then it will sync to the audio of this. So now it's connected. Perfect. So we're going to now, let's try to play something. We're gonna go ahead and connect it to our phone. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to my Apple CarPlay. We're gonna connect our Apple CarPlay right now, and we're gonna pair this to T86 right here. See, it comes up. This is a new device. We're gonna click on that. We're gonna pair it right now to Apple CarPlay. Hit pair, allow contact, sure. And then now we're connecting. When iPhone prompts use CarPlay with Smart Screen, select use CarPlay. All right, use CarPlay. Sweet. And it's connecting. Let's see what happens right now. Oh, it's connected. Wow, look how easy it is. Get all my apps right now. I can go all my apps. We have, we got YouTube music right here too. We can play music. Let me test, let me see, let me listen to a song right here. Let's listen to just a small snippet of this real quick. Let's see how the audio sounds right here. What? The audio comes through the stereo of the car. It sounds so good. No wire needed. This is FM transmission. Wow, that's pretty sweet. Oh, that's nice. So we got everything we need. We can go navigation right here. We can navigate to wherever we need. This thing is super simple, and we have all connected without modifying anything in the car. This is an awesome unit, and it looks so nice. I have Apple CarPlay. I got music. I got all my apps right there. We got Apple CarPlay in a 1998 Acura NSX. This is a car that has a tape deck, yet this thing still works. We can connect it with the FM transmission. We can also use the 3.5mm auxiliary cable if you have that option, or we can connect it to your car's Bluetooth if your car has Bluetooth already, or you can just use the speakers built onto this thing too, because it has speakers too. Just in case you want to use that, I'll show you real quick right now. I forgot to mention, we have the forward camera and the backup camera too. So right here, you see this is the forward camera, the camera in the front, and over here, we have the backup camera. Where's the backup camera? We got the backup camera somewhere here. Right here. Oh, someone's calling me too? I'll answer the call later. I'll call that call. See, it's already working. I'll answer a call later. Decline for now. But look, this is the backup camera. And if I go click right here, I can see the backup camera right here. What? We have the backup camera. Look, that's crazy. That's crazy right there. You see the backup camera and you can see all that, everything. This is nice. You have a backup camera and you have a forward camera and you got Apple CarPlay, you got music, everything in a huge screen. This thing is awesome. Well, there we go. This is my new setup and it's just incredible. This screen is fantastic right there.